When Mojo stepped into class one morning, there was a curious drawing on the blackboard that could only mean one thing. "Class," said the teacher, "tomorrow we'll be taking a field trip." Mojo knew exactly where he wanted to go: the Space Museum. Mojo's space dreams were running wild until the teacher said, "We'll be going to the Aviation Museum." And just like that, Mojo's dream of the Space Museum went up in smoke. "Katie, can you believe we have to spend all day looking at boring planes?" "Well, you know what they say," said Katie. "Time flies when you're having fun." The teacher interrupted Mojo's thoughts. "Now, class," she said, "who wants to fly paper airplanes?" "Yay! This is the best day ever!" shouted the students. But Mojo did not agree. "Worst day ever," he mumbled to himself. The class flew their paper airplanes, but Mojo stayed glum through reading, onto recess, and even at lunch, which was normally his favourite time of day. "You're in a bad mood today, huh, Mojo?" said Katie. "I am not." "What's a mood?" "Moods are kind of like your own personal weather," said Katie. "When you're in a good mood, everything seems bright and warm, like a sunny day. And when you're in a bad mood, it's like big rain clouds are overhead, and nothing you do makes you happy, even playing with paper airplanes." "Oh no," said Mojo. "So I'll never be happy again?" "Of course you will. Moods come and go. Your rain clouds will go away, and your mood will be bright again. It just takes time." "Oh, time? Time is the worst," said Mojo. "I want to be happy now." "Well, you could try to change your mood, I guess," said Katie. "You can change your mood?" Mojo asked. "How?" But just then, Katie was called away to co-pilot the class's new paper airplane, and Mojo was left to wonder. But what do you think? Have you ever been in a bad mood? Do you think it's possible to change your mood? Now those are interesting questions indeed.